Welcome back to our Play-Doh learning session. Now that you've made three different kinds of Play-Doh and explored their textures and used the tools, we thought we could build on the experience by adding some building and some work on our letters, numbers, and vocabulary. This is activity number 5. We're actually going to build with Play-Doh. And in your bag, there's a large bag of dyed pasta. And in your tool bag, there are lots of things to help the child build whatever inspires them. Maybe they will build a house like this picture, where they use the Play-Doh to connect the pasta. Or maybe they'll use cardboard and use the Play-Doh to stick things together, like when this child is done making a windmill. Or maybe they'll make something completely out of Play-Doh, like this ship here. Or maybe they'll make dinner. I always love that, of hamburger and fries. Or maybe they'll make pizza. Or maybe they'll even make an alien. Whatever they make, I'm sure we will want to see those creations. And the great part about playing with Play-Doh is you can always start all over again and make something completely different the next time. This is activity number 6, Play-Doh mats. In your box, you will find a binder with a set of Play-Doh mats. We've laminated them so that you can put the Play-Doh right on the mat. And when you're done playing, you just wipe the mat off and put it back into your binder and save it for a different day of play. There are 3 different mat sets. This is the first one, a face that's missing all of its features. Your child can use the Play-Doh to fill in the face. And we would love to see their faces when they're done. Well, their Play-Doh faces, that is. We will try and guess to see who they are. The second set is actually a set of alphabet mats, one for each letter. And the upper left-hand corner is the letter in lowercase. They want to use their Play-Doh to make that letter. And maybe you've noticed that the octopus is missing something important, their legs. So it's the job of the child to complete the picture by adding the missing pieces. And this is a great time to use the opportunity, using the letter O to give beginning word sounds. This is O for octopus or B for bee, so that they can hear those beginning sounds. And finally, we have a set of numbers. Each of the mats has the same apple tree, and that apple tree needs to have the numbers of apples put on it that we're actually working on. This mat is for the number 1, so we would want to put an apple made out of Play-Doh on our tree. Next, we can make the print number using Play-Doh on the right-hand side of the mat. And finally, we have a tin grid, which needs 1 ball of Play-Doh for whatever our number is. In this case, 1 in the upper left-hand corner of the first row, because we're working on the number 1. With these mats, your child can learn the names of all the components of their face, eyebrows, nose, eyes, eyelashes, ears, whatever. They can work on their letters and beginning sounds. And finally, they can work on their print numbers and numeracy. And I'm sure they will fill their little brains with knowledge, all while having fun playing with Play-Doh. We hope you like the session and will enjoy using these mats now and in the future.